In this video, we're going to reset and program this lock, the Kwikset 264 electronic door lock. Okay, so a reset is going to remove all the existing codes and return the lock to factory defaults, so we can set new codes. Okay, this is going to help you if you've lost your code or you just moved into a new house and want to remove all the existing codes and set new ones. Okay, so to reset this lock, the first step is to go to the interior assembly. Okay, next you want to remove the battery cover. This is the battery cover right here. Slide the cover up and remove it. Okay, so what you want to do next is to get a pin. You want to get a pin or a pen. Okay, so there's a pin hole right here and you want to insert this pin inside and press and hold it. Okay, keep holding. Okay, once you hear those 3 short beeps, the reset is complete and now the lock is back to factory defaults. Okay, so what you want to do next is to perform the door handling detection. Whenever you reset this lock, the first thing you want to do is to run the door handling detection. This is going to teach the lock the orientation of your door. The lock needs to know if your door is a right or left-handed door. Okay, so make sure you don't skip this step because your lock might not work properly if you don't do this. Okay, so to run the door handling, we need to go over to the exterior assembly. Okay, now to run the door handling detection, the first step is to enter the default programming code. Hit Kwikset. Okay, press 0, hit Kwikset. Okay, you can see this bolt has extended and retracted to learn the orientation of the door. Okay, so the door handling process is complete. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to change the default programming code. Okay, so to do this, enter the code, hit Kwikset. Okay, now you want to press 4, hit Kwikset. Now enter your new programming code, 4 to 10 digits. Okay, so mine here is going to be 223355. Hit Kwikset. Okay, you're going to hear 2 beeps and see a green flash here, meaning your programming code has been changed. Okay, so your new programming code is now active and that's what you're going to use for other programming. Okay, next you want to remove the default user code. This code can unlock your door from the outside, so you need to remove it. Let me show you how it works. Hit this button to lock. Okay, to unlock, let's enter the default user code. Press this. Okay, so you can see this code can unlock your door, so you need to remove it. To remove this code, the first step is to enter your programming code. Hit Kwikset. Okay, now you want to press 2 and hit Kwikset. Now enter the code you want to remove. So 1234. Hit Kwikset. Okay, you're going to hear 2 beeps and see a green flash here, meaning the code has been removed. Okay, so that's it. So now we can add new codes to unlock your door from the outside, and this lock allows you to add up to 6 user codes. Okay, so to add your code, the first step is to enter your programming code. Hit Kwikset. Okay, now you want to press 1, hit Kwikset. Now enter your new code, 4 to 10 digits. Okay, so mine here is going to be 1166. Hit Kwikset. Okay, you're going to hear 2 beeps and see a green flash here, meaning the code has been added. Okay, so let's test it. Press this button to lock. Okay, to unlock, let's enter the new code. Press this. Okay, so you can see this code is active. Okay, so if you want to add another code, enter your programming code. Hit Kwikset. Okay, press 1 and hit Kwikset. Okay, now enter your new code, 4 to 10 digits. Okay, so my second code here is going to be 2277. Hit Kwikset. Okay, you're going to hear 2 beeps and see 2 green flashes here, meaning the code has been added. Okay, so let's test it. Hit this button. Okay, it's locked, and to unlock, let's enter the new code. Hit this button. Okay, so that's how to add the user code, and you can repeat the steps to add more user codes, up to 6 user codes. And if you want to remove a user code you added, enter your programming code, press Kwikset. Now you want to press 2, press Kwikset. Okay, enter the code you want to remove, hit Kwikset. Okay, the code has been removed. Okay, so let's test it. Press this button to lock. Okay, to unlock, let's test the code we just removed. Okay, it's not working. Let's enter an active code. Okay, that one is still active. Okay, so that's how to remove a user code from this lock. And if you want to remove all user codes at once, the first step is to enter your programming code. Press Kwikset. Now press 3, press Kwikset. Okay, 2 beeps and 2 green flashes, meaning all codes have been removed from this lock. Okay, so that's how to remove all user codes at once. Okay, so that's it. And you can also set auto lock. To do this, enter your programming code, hit Kwikset. Now press 5 and hit Kwikset. Okay, 2 beeps and 2 green flashes, meaning auto lock is now active. And now your door is going to lock after 30 seconds, but you can set your time. If you want to set your time, enter your programming code, press Kwikset. Okay, now press 6 and hit Kwikset. Okay, now enter your time, 10 to 99 seconds. Okay, so mine is going to be 10 seconds, hit Kwikset. Okay, 2 beeps and 2 green flashes, meaning your time is set. Okay, so let's wait 10 seconds to see how it's going to lock. Okay, there you go. That's how auto lock works. Okay, so that's it. Let's unlock it. Okay, and if you want to cancel auto lock, enter your programming code, hit Kwikset. Now press 5 and hit Kwikset. Okay, that is it. Auto lock is cancelled. Okay, so that's how to turn on and turn off the auto lock. Okay, and you can also turn off the keypad sound. If you're not okay with the sound on the keypad, you want to turn it off. Okay, so to do this, the first step is to enter your programming code, hit Kwikset. Okay, now you want to press 7, hit Kwikset. Okay, that's it. The keypad sound is gone. Okay, so let's test it. Okay, so you can see the sound is gone. Okay, so that's how to turn off the keypad sound. And if you want to turn it back on, enter your programming code, hit Kwikset and press 7 and hit Kwikset. Okay, that's it. The sound is back. Okay, so let's test it. Okay, you can see the keypad sound is back. Okay, so that's how to mute and unmute this lock. Okay, so that's it. That's how to reset this lock and reprogram it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.